to the 8th concession. My name is Natalie. Well, you'd think with Christmas we'd have enough baked goods and treats to last us for a long time, and we do. However, I do have some bananas that are going soft in my fridge, so today I'm going to whip up my favorite banana bread. Now this is a banana nut chip loaf, so it has both some chocolate chips and some nuts in it, and it's a family favorite. Shouldn't take me too long, and it'll feel good not to waste those bananas. So the first thing I need to do is prepare my bananas. Now, did you know that you're supposed to peel bananas from the bottom? That was a trick I learned. Oh, and I'm going to just trim off some of the dark spots here. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of milk. And mash them all together. And once again, this is one of those recipes, an older recipe. I don't actually know where I got this, but I've made it for years. But it's one of those where you have to add the wet ingredients and dry ingredients alternately. So now that I've got the bananas and milk ready, I'm going to put the dry ingredients in another bowl. So for the dry ingredients, I have 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. And then I'm going to just give that a good stir. Now for this next part, I've had to move over to my cramped 50-year-old unrenovated kitchen counter. Man, I really hope this is the year we can do our kitchen renovation. But I need my mixer, so I have to move over here, and this is where we're going to combine everything together. So 1/2 cup butter or margarine, and with that we're going to mix in 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to do it a bit at a time. Once that's nice and fluffy, we're going to beat in 1 egg. Till it's all nice and creamy. Now we're going to start adding the banana mixture and the flour mixture alternately, beginning and ending with flour. So I'm going to do the flour in thirds and the banana mixture in halves. Now the last thing we have to do is to just fold in some chocolate chips and some pecans, or pecans if you wish. So 1 cup chocolate chips and 1/2 cup pecans. My 1/2 cup was dirty, so that was about 1/2 cup in the 2/3 measure. And then, sorry, I gotta use it this way. And then you just gently fold them in. I've already greased my loaf pan, so now just gonna scoop in the batter. It's going to bake at 350 degrees. It's going to bake at 350 degrees for about 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. It's a slow baker, but it's worth it. Yep, it's done. So here it is. Banana chip nut loaf. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Bye for now.